everybody. It's the last Friday before Christmas. We're just finishing out getting all the orders out for the week, and we're back with another pick pack. Today, David in Roseville, California ordered a pair of Oakley Flak 2.0 replacement sunglass lenses. Those are going to be in bin A1, A5A, which is up high on the other side, so let's go find it. If you need Oakley replacement sunglass lenses, we've got them for tons of different glasses. We also have a video on our YouTube channel that explains how to figure out exactly what lens you need. So if you're unsure and you need lenses, definitely check that out. The worst thing about ordering lenses is not knowing what you need. Go ahead and get a free sticker tossed in there. We pack our lenses with some paper so that they're not bouncing around and going crazy. You can see nice and safe in there after the invoice is packed on top. And David, we hope you have a fantastic holiday. We appreciate your order and we look forward to hearing from you again.